Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Marina here with a project share. Today's project is this adorable baby mini album. I had so much fun creating this lovely book. The album measures 17.5 by 17.5 centimeters with a 5 centimeter spine. I decided to keep the cover really simple, so I used for decoration a 4x6 card from the collection. To add an interest on the spine, I used the binding cloth by Craftelier. I used the special delivery 12x12 paper collection by EcoPark. So let's go ahead to see the album. So here in the front and side cover there is this flap that goes up like this. On the album I added these pieces that represent where you can stick your picture, and it's glued down with a non-permanent glue. You can simply remove this and stick your own picture. Here we have a pocket to store more pictures. A really beautiful collection. On this page we have this flap that opens like this. And again here. All the pages are pocket pages with an insert. If you're interested of purchasing this album, you can email me. My mail is below in the description area. On the next page we have this swing tab, and over here we have space for 2 pictures. Here is a journaling spot where you can keep important memorabilia. On this page we have this cute small booklet, perfect to add 2 small photographs. And here as well, place for a small picture. Over here there is a pocket that holds 2 photo mats. Here we have a beautiful reverse waterfall. And actually this is a belly band where you can keep more pictures back behind. Over here we have places to add some pictures 10 by 15 centimeters, or even you can make a collage of smaller ones. Over here we have a pocket that holds a small booklet and some cards where you can stick a picture on the back. Here we have 2 simple flaps. Over here we have another spot to add your photographs. This is magnetized and opens on the right. I love so much this adorable mini album. I think it turned out really pretty. So guys, that was the walkthrough of this cute baby book. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!